Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sidhu. Once again welcome back to my channel SS Tech Beats. So guys, today I will show you very interesting tab. So using in this tab on kids is very interesting because of playing games and also joining the online classes. Also many more works we can do very easily. So anyone visit my channel and first time, please keep subscribe to support with me and also press the like button.
So guys, today unboxing ikall N93 calling tablet on this video. So this tab very using on little kids like kids gaming review and also any online classes preparation. It's very helpful. So don't waste time. Let's begin the video. So guys, actually I am ordered this tab on my brother. So I am purchased this tab 4000 rupees on Flipkart. So this tablet have better features on this price. So this tab available on 3500 below price on offers zone. So guys, we will see the details on the box. ikall N93 Android device. And it's have phone functions, FM radio, dual SIM, dual camera and Android V6 Marshmallow is available. And see the backside, some more details is printed in the company. N93 Android device and also customer care support numbers are available in the box. Yeah, it's better. And also email ID support mentioned the box. So guys, now see the technical specifications on this box. Processor 1.3 GHz quad core processor. Design and display full capacity multi-touch 7-inch display, pixel size 1024x600 and operating system Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Battery backup 3000 mAh rechargeable line polymer battery. Back camera 5 megapixel and front camera 2 megapixel. Music and video, music player with MP3 and other popular formats. Support HD video playback and also FM radio and connectivity Wi-Fi 8.2, micro USB OTG port, Bluetooth 4.0 supported. And finally, charge the tablet 4-5 hours before use. So guys, now let's open the box. So guys, first of all includes the manual papers and also this tab have 1 year warranty. So see the tab. This tab new look looks like very shiny. So guys, see the data cable. We will charge the tab and also any data saved to use this data cable. And see the charger. Company any details cannot print the charger. And also includes the box 1 OTG pin. It works any pen drives or TF cards added externally. So remove the screen cover. So you can see the tab looking category, it's not bad. And also better features are available on this price. So you can see the physical properties on this device. First of all, front 7-inch display and pixel size 1024x600 pixel size. And 2MP front camera is here and color mouth. And also you can see right side sound volume button, switch on and off button and light sensor is available. So turn into left side, there is no options are available. And see the bottom place, charging port and headphone jack available. And downside available only gravity sensor. And backside 1 speaker and 5MP camera and also flashlight available. So friends, this tablet supported 3G network only and also dual SIM supported. It's have 2 SIM slots and 1 TF card slot, expandable up to 32 GB. So this tab is 2 GB RAM, 16 GB storage. So now switch on the device and check them performance and all features. Yeah, tablet is activate now. So go to the about phone feature friends. We will check them all features. Model number, Android version, kernel version, Android version 6.0. So tab performance is not bad, it's better. So guys, this type of tablets using kits very perfectly. So this is 3G calling tab friends, and also I will try to unbox without calling tab, I mean Wi-Fi tablet, and next video, because of then the Wi-Fi tablet is also available low price and more better features.
So guys, now you will see ikall tablet unboxing and review on my channel. So anyone, if you like my videos, click the subscribe button to support with me, and also press the bell icon and share my videos on your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.